Now let's taste it. Wow, this pan-fried asparagus is very garlicky. It's so delicious. You really have to try this, guys. And it's quick and easy. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today I'm going to show you how to pan-fry asparagus. Today I'm cooking pan-fried asparagus with garlic and butter. Here are the ingredients of my pan-fried asparagus. Asparagus, salt, ground black pepper, cooking oil, butter, and garlic. Now let's prepare the asparagus. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Guys, asparagus is very easy to prepare. Just cut off the woody stems. That's it. And we don't want this, guys. Just discard. Okay guys, let's pan fry the asparagus. In a preheated pan, add the vegetable oil. And then add the butter. And let it melt. The reason being of adding vegetable oil, guys, is to stop the butter from burning. Give it stir. Once the butter is melted, add the garlic and saute. Now we can add our beautiful asparagus. Give it a stir and turn the heat to medium. It doesn't take long to pan-fry asparagus, only takes 10 minutes on a medium heat. Give it a stir, guys, okay? Stir occasionally. Lovely. Now we can season it with salt and a ground black pepper. If you wanna cook a garlic dish, guys, might as well chop a lot of garlic in. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous and smells very garlicky. Lovely. Turning asparagus, guys, to ensure even cooking, okay? That's it. Wow, this pan-fried asparagus smells absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to eat it. Very healthy as well for you. My pan-fried asparagus is now been cooking for 5 minutes, guys. You know when it's cooked because it goes limp. Oh, that is so nice. Just turn them over every couple minutes to ensure even cooking. There you go, guys. Oh, look at that. All this garlic. So beautiful. After 8 minutes, we're almost there, guys. Just give another stir. Oh wow, look at that. As you can see, guys, it's very easy to cook pan-fried asparagus. After 10 minutes, our pan-fried asparagus is now ready to serve and enjoy. See, guys, how limp it is? That means it's ready. Just after 10 minutes. Here we go guys, my pan-fried asparagus ready to enjoy. You have to try this guys. Now let's taste it. Wow, this pan-fried asparagus is very garlicky. It's so delicious. You really have to try this guys. And it's quick and easy. I hope you enjoyed my pan-fried asparagus today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. More recipe to follow. See you soon.